she lost everything. Her voice, once vibrant and full of laughter, now silenced by the weight of sorrow. Her light, which used to shine so brightly in every room she entered, was now dimmed, flickering like a candle struggling against a relentless wind. Her will to fight, the fierce determination that had carried her through so many storms, seemed to have faded, leaving her feeling empty and alone. The world around her moved on, oblivious to the pain she carried, the silent battles she fought each day just to get out of bed, to face the mirror, to breathe. Friends drifted away, unsure of how to help, and the comfort of familiar routines became a distant memory. She sat in the quiet darkness, replaying moments of happiness that now felt like echoes from another life. The loss was not just of things or people, but of parts of herself she feared she might never reclaim. Yet, in the depths of her sadness, something began to stir. It was small at first, a flicker of hope, a whisper of resilience. She realized that even in her brokenness, she was still here. She was still breathing, and with every breath, she was gathering strength, piece by fragile piece. What the world didn't know was that beneath the surface she was changing. The pain was shaping her, forging a new kind of strength. She was learning to stand again, to find her voice in the silence, to let her light grow in the darkness. She was about to become unstoppable, not in spite of her loss, but because of it. Sometimes life breaks you, not to destroy you, but to rebuild you, stronger, wiser, unshakable. Every scar she carried became her power. Each mark on her skin was a silent testament to the battles she had fought and survived, a map of her journey through pain and perseverance. In the quiet moments, when she traced the lines with her fingertips, she remembered the nights when tears fell freely, nights when the world felt impossibly heavy, and hope seemed just out of reach. But those tears, far from being a sign of weakness, became the fuel that ignited her spirit. They reminded her that she was still here, still fighting, still rising. For every person who doubted her, who whispered behind her back or looked at her scars with pity or judgment, she found a new source of motivation. Their disbelief became the silent fire that pushed her forward, urging her to prove them wrong, not for their approval, but for her own sense of worth. She learned to transform their doubts into stepping stones, building a path toward her own dreams. With every sunrise, she stood a little taller, her scars no longer something to hide, but symbols of her resilience. She embraced her story, knowing that true strength is not the absence of pain, but the courage to keep moving forward despite it. And so, every scar, every tear, every doubter, each became a part of her, shaping her into the unstoppable force she was destined to become. She chose growth over bitterness, discipline over distraction, courage over comfort. This is not just her story. This is your reminder. You are one decision away from a completely different life. So want to change your life too? Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of purpose, feeling excited about the day ahead. Picture yourself standing at the crossroads of your life, ready to take the path that leads to your dreams. It's a powerful moment, isn't it? The moment you decide to take control of your destiny and make a change. But how do you get there? How do you transform your life from ordinary to extraordinary? The answer lies in the choices you make and the actions you take. It's about finding the right tools and resources that can guide you on this journey of self-discovery and growth. And one of the most effective tools you can use is the power of motivational books. These books are not just words on a page. They are a source of inspiration, wisdom, and guidance that can help you navigate the challenges and obstacles that come your way. They can provide you with the insights and strategies you need to overcome your fears, build your confidence, and achieve your goals. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey of transformation, keep watching, because we have something special for you. Click the link in the description to discover the most powerful motivational books ever written. They changed her life, and they can change yours too. These books have been carefully selected to provide you with the knowledge and inspiration you need to take your life to the next level. Whether you're looking to improve your career, build better relationships, or simply find more happiness and fulfillment, these books have something for everyone. They are filled with practical advice, real-life stories, and powerful insights that can help you make positive changes in your life. And the best part is, you can start reading them right away. Just click the link in the description and start your journey towards a better, more fulfilling life today. Imagine looking in the mirror and seeing a person who is confident, happy, and full of hope. That's the power of these books. They can help you see yourself in a new light and give you the confidence to pursue your dreams. They can help you overcome your fears and doubts and give you the courage to take bold steps towards your goals. And as you read these books, you'll start to see changes in your life. You'll start to feel more positive, more motivated, and more in control of your destiny. You'll start to believe in yourself and your abilities, and you'll start to see opportunities where you once saw obstacles. So, if you're ready to make a change, click the link in the description and start reading these powerful motivational books today. And don't forget to hit subscribe, like, and share your story in the comments. We want to hear from you. We want to know how these books have changed your life and how you're using the knowledge and inspiration you've gained to make positive changes. By sharing your story, you can inspire others to take action and make a change in their own lives. You can be a part of a community of like-minded individuals who are all on a journey of self-discovery and growth. So, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your story in the comments. Let's build a community of warriors who are ready to take on the world and make a difference. We're building a family of warriors here, a family of strong, determined individuals who are ready to support each other and lift each other up. A family that believes in the power of positive change and is committed to making a difference in the world. So, join us on this journey. Be a part of our family and let's make a difference together. Let's support each other, inspire each other, and help each other achieve our dreams. Together, we can create a better, more fulfilling life for ourselves and for those around us. So click the link in the description, hit subscribe, and join our family of warriors today. Let's make a difference together. Your comeback will be stronger than your breakdown.